Hey, this is Edwin. I want to show you how to play the B minor chord. This is what it looks like. Now, this is a really hard chord to learn because you have to bar 5 strings at the same time. And I actually recommend, if you can, to actually learn the F bar chord first, which is this one. Before you actually continue with this lesson, there's going to be a link in the description or in this video right here. Okay, so back to B minor. What you're going to do is actually bar the whole 2nd fret. Right, this is what it looks like. And actually, you don't even have to bar the whole thing. I would just bar up to the 5 strings. So this E string is left alone, alright? So there you go. So it sounds like this. There you go. Alright, so then from here, so keeping in mind that this is already barred, so that's already taken care of, right? Now, all you gotta worry about is putting the string, putting your fingers on the right frets, and then right now you're gonna focus on the 4th fret and the 3rd fret. So 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd fret. This is the 4th fret. Okay, so it's gonna be on either one of these from here on out. Okay, the 3rd and the 4th. So let's put this finger back right here. It's already barred. Okay. Now, all you got to do is get your ring finger, and it's going to be the 3rd string from the top, and it's going to be the 4th fret. So this is what it looks like. That's the note right there. This is the finger you're supposed to match up with. Alright, and then after that, you got to get your pinky finger, and then it's going to be the one right underneath on the 4th fret, and it's going to be the G string, 3rd string from the bottom. One more time. That's the sound you should be hearing. Now you got just one more finger left, and it's the middle finger, and all you got to do is go to the 2nd string from the bottom on the 3rd fret. Alright, so all together, hitting it from the 2nd string from the top, so leaving this E open, we're not going to hit that string right there, that's going to be muted. So here we go. Alright, so that's the B minor chord. Another way you can play without barring this whole thing, you can actually just take that one off. You can actually leave the middle finger, the pinky finger, and the ring finger there. And then you can actually just do an open shape by hitting the E string on the 2nd fret. Right there, that's the sound you should hear. And then you can just play it this way. And that's just another variation of the B minor chord.